Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be doing this quick simple red lipstick glam look. I usually do this look when I'm in a hurry, but I still want to look glammed up. This red lipstick is what's gonna make me, look glammed without any eyeshadow, and we're just gonna do the wings and you're good to go. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my foundation on, my eyebrows are done, and I already primed my eyes, and I already primed my eyelids. So I'm just gonna go on with the basic makeup that I always do. So I'm not even gonna bother showing y'all the products, but I'm just using the eyeshadow from this palette as a transitioning color. But this is also gonna give my eye like some definition, that way it's just not flat. And then I took this eyeshadow. The reason why I'm using this eyeshadow is actually just to settle the primer so that it doesn't move around, you know what I mean, but it's not for any purpose. Like, I'm not trying to have an eyeshadow. Using this Maybelline gel liner, it's in dark, I think it's in black dark, I think so. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my wings now. My wings, it's a struggle, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, I never really struggled with them, but that's because I was doing them wrong. I have hooded eyes and I'm learning like new techniques on how to do this, so just bear with me, y'all. But we still make it work. So yeah, after that I just skipped over and went over my whole face, and I'm just gonna fast forward that because, like I mentioned before, I don't really change my products. So we're just gonna fast forward this part and then we come back to the eyes. Okay, so after doing my face, I just went back to my eyes. I'm just putting my lashes on. Just gonna go ahead and take this L'Oreal Smash Eye Pencil and use that in my waterline, and it's just gonna give it that smoky eye look, but it's not really smoky, just to make it pop, make my eyes pop. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight the rest of my face, the part that I usually highlight using NARS. You guys already know that. And then using the Smart Ruby Woo lipstick, I'm just gonna go ahead and complete the look. And there you go, we have an instant red lipstick glammed look. Anyways, this is the look, guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye, guys.